Yes, splitting pest control costs with neighbors can improve lawn protection and reduce expenses for everyone involved. Start by surveying nearby homeowners to confirm shared pest issues and willingness to participate. Contact at least 2 pest control companies to request group pricing and written quotes that specify scope, products, and frequency so you can compare services apples to apples. When evaluating treatment plans, insist on clear service boundaries, product names, active ingredients, and safety instructions so each household knows what to expect and how long to avoid treated areas. Coordinate a single treatment date and, if possible, concurrent follow-up visits so contiguous properties remain protected during the same treatment window, which reduces reinfestation pressure. Agree on simple shared responsibilities such as moving yard items, removing debris, and watering restrictions to maximize product efficacy and minimize liability. Draft a short written agreement that covers cost sharing, scheduling, payment method, and a basic dispute resolution step so everyone has the same expectations. Common problems are uneven participation, where some neighbors opt out, which undermines results. So, solve this by limiting the shared program to contiguous properties and setting a minimum participant threshold before booking services. Another issue is inconsistent maintenance practices between homes that let pests find refuge. So solve this by distributing a one-page checklist that lists easy maintenance tasks such as sealing gaps, storing pet food indoors, and keeping vegetation trimmed. A third concern is liability or confusion about who pays if additional treatments are needed. So solve this by including a small contingency fund in the agreement and clarifying whether repeat visits are covered by the initial price or billed separately. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to make it easier for neighborhoods to organize shared services like pest control. Our site helps contractors find work, and homeowners post project details, get quotes, and use our discussion community to coordinate collective solutions and share experiences.